So, my predictions for tonight's Thunderball. First of all, you can see the pattern with the machines. So, the next number in the pattern is going to be machine 3. And if you look at the ball sets, you can see there's a pattern there as well. And the next one in the pattern is set 7. So we want to be looking at set of balls 7 and machine E3. Because that's what they're going to be using next. And so when we do that, we get this chart. So we've got 14 most overdue for its frequency, 18 most overdue, 11 most frequent Thunderball, Thunderball 14 most overdue for its frequency, most overdue Thunderball is 10. Now the chart for the machine looks like this. Now we've got clearly number 4 most overdue, and definitely most overdue for its frequency. So we'll definitely wanting to bet on main number 4. And then we've got second most overdue is 9, most frequent is 16, second most frequent 19, 30. And on the Thunderball side, number 1 most overdue for its frequency. Now if we look at set 7, then on the main number side, clearly 19 is most overdue for its frequency. Thunderball 10 most overdue, 5 most overdue for its frequency. The most frequent numbers are Thunderball 11, main number 28. And if you look at the whole chart for all machines and sets of balls, it looks like that. Clearly, main number 4 most overdue for its frequency, 29 most frequent. And then on the Thunderball side, clearly Thunderball number 3, because it is most overdue for its frequency, most overdue, and most frequent. Now looking at the analyzer, okay, these are some of the numbers that I've picked already. But to summarise the charts that I've just been looking at, so this is the main numbers and Thunderball numbers on the chart for all machines and sets of balls. These are the values of those numbers, which are all relative. So you can see Thunderball number 3 stands out quite a lot, as does main number 4. And then on the chart for the machine, again, number 4 stands out. That's why I've picked number 4 for that. And then the machine and set of balls combined, that's the summary of that chart. So the numbers that stand out the most are main number 4, got 19, and we've got 14. For the Thunderball, I mean, it seems pretty obvious to pick number 3 based on the main chart, but if you look at the chart for the machine and set of balls that's going to actually be used, then you can see number 3 doesn't really stand out all that much. Instead, it's 14 that stands out. But what I find interesting on the analyzer is if we go into coincidence mode, and we'll just ignore the values for now. And then what I noticed is this. The numbers that stand out most, 4, 19 and 14. That's with the machine, the ball set, and the machine and ball set combined. And when you look at those, the number that stands out is Thunderball number 6. Because if you're looking at the machine and the ball set, and then you look at main number 14, and we're just looking at the Thunderballs, then what stands out on the Thunderballs is Thunderball number 6. But for some reason, it's not appearing on the chart, but it shows up on the analysis. Now that's confusing. We'll try 19 instead. At least it shows up on 19. I don't know why it didn't show up on the chart for 14. Very strange. But anyway, if we look at the main number chart for Thunderball number 6, then it looks like this. And if we look at the full draw history, because there's always been 14 Thunderballs, and now it looks like this. And if we look at the chart for set of balls 7, then now you can see why I'm picking main number 9. And if we look at the analyzer, now you can see Thunderball number 6 with machine number 3 is the most overdue for all these numbers. So, look at machine 3. And we'll just look at the Thunderballs. So, number 19 we have Thunderball number 6, most overdue. Then we look at 14, there it is again, Thunderball 6, most overdue. Ben number 9, Thunderball 6 most overdue. And the same with number 4. And 34. All the same. So that's why I'm picking Thunderball number 6. And basically, I'm picking the most overdue for its frequency with the machine and on the main chart, which is number 4. Most overdue for its frequency with set 7 is 19. Most overdue for its frequency with the machine and ball set is 14. You can see Thunderball number 6 stands out with both of those as most overdue for its frequency. So that's why I'm picking that. I've just showed you why we're picking 9. And then the reason why 34 is because I forgot why. I can't remember. But anyway, I'm picking 34. So I don't know why. But anyway, those are the numbers I'm picking. And if they come out, those are the coincidences. And these are the numbers that stand out with those numbers, so maybe that'll help you pick your numbers for tonight. I'm not doing very well on Thunderball. I'm actually 67 quid down at the moment, so I could do a nice one. That's it for this video.